내 목소리가 들리나요? 내 목소리가 들리나요? 오케이. Do we have any newcomer who did not attend the previous class? Raise your hand. So everybody seems Wait a second. So there is no newcomer. Am I right? 김승현, newcomer? 김승헌, 학생. 오늘 처음이에요? 시나브로가 학생 이름인가? Okay, so I think if you're a newcomer, please watch the following video. Let's see, wait a second. So you have to remember and you have to read it through. So there are a lot of changes in comparison with the syllabus. So you have to read it through and follow the rule. By the way, it is important to notice that we have a K-pop Joker system. So you please do not submit any application for excused absence because we have a Joker system until September 14. You don't have to report anything. Our attendance is automatically checked only if you take the beta exam. And if you have not taken the beta exam, the column in the blackboard, your class, you have a blank. There is a no number in it. In that case, it is absolutely absent. If you are, for some reason, if you miss the class and you know the situation before the class begins, you have to report me, not through portal, neither portal nor email. What you have to do is before 14, that's fine, because you have a lot of chance to take the exam. However, after that, from the third week, we do not have such a kind of period. So from September 15 on, you have to take the beta exam during the official class hour. If it is not the case, you have 4 jokers. And let's see here. From beta 5, there are 28 beta. Okay, we have 28 beta. So from beta 5 on, I will display Joker 5, 6 until 28. If you are not able to attend the class at maximum by 4 times, you just type in a dot and enter. Then I know your nickname and I can identify you with this nickname, and then you'll be on the list who could take the makeup exam that is planned every Friday night from midnight to Sunday midnight for 24 hours. Okay, so for the makeup exam, you have only a single chance to take the exam. However, except that the normal, if you take the exam in normal time, you can try as many times as possible. That's fine. The answer will be public after everybody finished their exam. So even if you finish it in exam in 5 minutes, the answer is not to be shown. For example, from beta 1 to beta 4, it is not public until September 14th. And in our class, until it becomes public after 2 p.m. Okay? After that, in every, let's say we are class 14, we begin at 1:30 p.m. and then it ends at 2:45, and your record and the correct answer that you missed will be public at 5 p.m. every day. Understood? So today I'd like to let you know how to take the exam, and we have prepared the mock exam, and even if it is recorded for the class called From Galileo to Einstein, the style is exactly the same. So I'd like to let you know how to take the exam. Let's see. Why don't we go From Galileo, Q&A, announcement, I don't remember. Let's see. Okay, so why don't you visit there? Or just let me copy this link. So watch this, and you will know how to take the beta exam. So if you have any problem or question, just ask me. Raise your hand. Okay, watch that video. So wait a second. The video should be a little bit different from ours. So in our case, we are class 14, and if you enter the blackboard, the class 14 for General Physics 2, and you will find the menu bar. You find assignments and tests. You click this, and it will be displayed. Any set represent a single beta exam, and this is a Y00 beta, so it doesn't account for the record. It is just a test, a simple trial mock test. The problems consist of class regulations or something like that, and you can take this exam first, and then you will find in the parentheses, this is opening hour of this exam. So I told you, you don't miss any class by 14th. You can see all of these exam ends at September, on September 14th. In our case, it is closed at 2:45 p.m. September 14. You can try these exams at any time and by any trial. Number of trial is unlimited for all of these. After that, from 19th on, you have only a single day to take the exam during the class hour only. Or even though the number of trials is not limited, you must take the exam on that day, on that class hour only. If you are unable to take this exam, you have to report it by sending me a comment on the board. Let's see. Comment to here. If you're unable to take the exam, so you need to put a dot as a comment to here. Okay? So why don't you take at least one exam? That's a Y00 beta, and you must learn how to take the exam. Please go ahead.